Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed 27 questions and the remaining questions we will solve in this video. Now, let's go to the question. Priya is 4 ranks below Seema and is 31st from the bottom and 4 ranks below Seema. That means Seema will be 35th from bottom, right? Ina is 2 ranks above Seema and is 37th from bottom. Yes, Ina is 2 ranks above means already Seema is 35th. So Ina will become 37th from bottom. No, what is asking? What is Seema's ranks from the top with the class of 40 students? What is asking question? What is Seema's rank? Seema's rank is what? 35th from bottom. She will be 6th from the top, right? 35th from bottom means the remaining 5 people will be there. That means above Seema, there are 5 people. That means Seema will be 6th rank. So from the statement 1 also, we can find Seema is 6th rank. No, let's keep this aside. Now let's take Ina. Ina is 2 ranks above Seema and is 37 from the bottom. Okay. If Ina is 37 from bottom, she is above Seema, right? So Seema will be 35th. And there are 40 students he is given in the question. So from here also we can find Seema's rank. So what is the option? Either statement 1 alone or statement 2 is sufficient to answer the question. Okay. Let's go to the 29th question. There are 6 persons arranged in a row. Another person has to shake hands with 3 of them so that he should not shake hands with 2 consecutive persons. Okay. In how many distinct possible combinations can the shake hands takes place? There are 6 persons and telling another person. That is, he introduced 7th person, right? No. What is telling? He should not shake hands with consecutive persons. No, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let this be. Right? No. This is another person, 7th person. You need to shake hand. You need to find the number of combinations. 1. You can shake hand with 1. Next, consecutive means 2 should not, he should not take 2. So he'll go for 3. No? 5, right? So what is the combination? First combination 1, 3, 5. Now see. Let's keep 1, 3 common. Now I can take shake hand with 6, right? We should not take consecutive, but we can take different percentage. 1, 3, 6. So 1, 3, 6 is also combination. This is also possible. 1, 4, and 6. Right? The third combination will be 1, 4, 6. No. Yes. All the combination with 1 are done. Now see. 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6. Now let's see. If we take 2, definitely we have to take 4. Definitely 6. Right? Now that means all the combination with 2 are done. Now if we take 3, we can't take 4. So 5. And these two are consecutive. Right? So only 2 seconds are coming. That means we are exhausted with the possibilities. That means there are 4 combinations possible to shake the hands. Right? Let's go to the next question. 3 persons A, B, and C are standing in a queue, not necessarily in the same order. Okay. There are 4 persons between A and B, and 7 persons between B and C. If there are 11 persons ahead of C and 13 behind A, what could be the minimum number of persons in the queue? There are 4% between A and B, right? B here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 7% between B and C, right? He's asking for minimum number of people. So if I take here B, unnecessarily we'll add these many people. So let's take, he's asking for minimum, right? Already 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are here. A will be 5th here, right? No. 6, 7. These 7 people are between B and C. So, okay, we have accommodated all these people in between B and C. If there are 11 persons ahead of C and 13 behind A, this is A, no? This is behind A and this is ahead of C. Now see, already between C and B, there are 7 persons, 11 people ahead of C, right? That means 1, 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now, what is still 13 behind A? If this is A, 1, 2, 3, now see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From here, there are 9 people, right? From here, there are 13 people. What is the answer? 9 plus 13, right? That is 22. Let's go to that first question. Right, students? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H sit around a circular table equidistant from each other, facing the center of the table, not necessarily in the same order. B and D sit neither adjacent to C nor opposite to C. Okay. A sits in between E and D. In this way, I take it is E and D. Other also possible that F sits in between B and H. So the following is definitely correct. Now let's go with the options. Okay. We can only from the question we only got these arrangements. Now let's go with the options. B sits in between A and G. Okay. For suppose already A is taken here now. So G value can take then this and this value. So what will be the values between A and G? Either E or D, right? So this option A is wrong. No. C sits opposite to G. We'll check whether C is sitting opposite to G or not. This is the only place vacant to accommodate C and G opposite, because if you take this, already E is taken. We take this, already A is taken. We will take this, D already taken. So definitely we have to accommodate CG. See, because C should not sit adjacent to D, right? So that's why I wrote here C. Right? C. Here also. No. What is telling? F is between B and H, right? So B can't be adjacent to C. So we should write here B can't be there. Right? If you write B here, we have to accommodate H, F and H. No? F is between B and H. So B should be here. F should be here. We have drawn this diagram on the basis of taking that this option is correct. But see, there is also a possibility that if this is H, this is H, this is B, right? Now C can't be adjacent to B, right? So C will be here, G will be here. Even this is also satisfying the terms, right? So not always C is opposite to G, right? That means this option is also wrong. No. E sits opposite to F. See here. In this diagram, E is sitting opposite to F. But in this diagram, see, E is not opposite to F. right? Even this is also wrong. So what is the answer? None of the above. Let's go to the next question. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, and F are sitting equidistant from each other around a circular table. Consider the question and two statements given below. Who is sitting on the immediate left of A? D is sitting opposite to B. F is sitting on the immediate left of B. Immediate left will be this point, right? The remaining will be A. What is the other combination possible? What is asking? Who is immediate left of A? Immediate left will be, in this case, it will be E. In this case, it will be D, right? That means statement 1, statement 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Okay. Let's go to the next question. There are 9 cups placed on a table arranged in equal number of rows and columns, out of which 6 cups contain coffee, 3 cups contain tea. In how many ways can they be arranged so that each row should contain at least 1 cup of coffee? Better what we'll do, we'll calculate total combinations minus at least 1 row without coffee. What will be the combinations? Right? 9 positions. We have to fill it, right? That means 9 positions, 9 cups, 9 factorial. But see, 6 cups are coffee. That means identical. That means 6 factorial. Here, 3 cups are tea. That means 3 are identical by 3 factorial. No. That means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, right? By 6 factorial. This gets cancelled by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6, right? 3 2 is 4. 12 4 is 84. But total combinations is equal to 84. You got the total combinations, right? What is asking? How many ways can be arranged so that at least each row should contain 1 cup of coffee? Now I'll take, there is no coffee at least in 1 row. Let me see, already 6 cup of coffee are there, right? So coffee, 6 coffees I have accommodated in 2 rows only. No? Tea. Right? No. This is one combination. This is another combination. This is third combination. Right? How many possibilities we have picked? 3 possibilities. Right? See, 3 possibilities are getting without having at least 1 cup of coffee in all the 3 rows. That means answer will be what? He's asking how many ways we can arrange that at least 1 coffee is in each row. That means total combinations minus possibilities where coffee is not there in at least 1 row. Answer is 83 minus 3, 81. Okay. Answer is 81. Okay, friends, we have completed all the questions related to data arrangements and ranking. And in the next video, we'll be starting with cubes. Okay.